The Mayo Clinic Dialysis Center provides state-of-the-art dialysis services to Mayo Clinic patients in a comfortable, home-like facility. The unique design of the unit optimizes the staff's ability to observe patients while preserving the quietness and feeling of being in a private room. The facility design, along with state-of-the-art equipment featuring real-time online monitoring, allows staff to observe a person's treatment progress throughout their dialysis treatment. The dialysis center offers an effective staff-to-patient ratio that includes registered nurses, certified chronic hemodialysis technicians, a renal dietitian, and a renal social worker under direction of a dedicated medical director. There are 24 private dialysis stations, 3 home training rooms, and 2 exam rooms. A centrally located nursing station provides staff with views of all dialysis stations. Monthly care conferences are held to ensure patients' needs are being met. Patients and their family are welcome and encouraged to attend. The Mayo Clinic Dialysis Center offers outpatient dialysis services, home dialysis training and support for both hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis, temporary dialysis for patients needing treatment while traveling, and free Wi-Fi. A specially designed home training area includes a bedroom with a shower and toilet facilities. A nephrologist oversees the training program, which is managed by an experienced home dialysis training nurse. The program is designed for patients who would like more independence and control over their treatment options. Patients trained to perform their dialysis at home return to the center once a month for evaluation. The dialysis center is located on Mayo's West Campus at 4658 Worrell Way. A shuttle service from the dialysis center to the Davis building is available for patients who have same-day appointments on the Mayo Clinic campus.